fully cooked. What's the man? Nice, white, soft flesh. Yo. Watch our people.
Oh my gosh.
You see that? Seasoning.
A vegan lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, yeah, me born for style. Girl, a bubble for the kingdom, love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a live versatile.
What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to Keegan Lifestyle TV. You don't know. Today we're in the backyard and we just go put some fish on the grill. We go do some roast fish, Jamaican style. Some red snapper. Yeah, man, we go stuff it with some callaloo and make it go and bubble on the grill. You understand? Forward. So, we're gonna start off, guys, by getting the grill nice and hot. Season it up, you see it? Yeah, man, so people, we're gonna light up the fire. We'll add some mango stick to it first. You know? And some little bush.
Why the trees looking like that, Keegan?
The trees?
Yeah.
Because of the cold temperature, you know? The winter kind of mess up all of the mango tree, them kill off all of the tree, them people. Trust me. Something, you know, I don't know what they might deal with the atmosphere, but it don't look normal at all. You know? And then we're gonna add in some charcoal on top. Start seasoning up the fish. We already clean it up and wash it with some vinegar already. Up on that one here. Big. Yeah, man. Just slice it up just like that, guys. And if you want to take the fin off, that's up to you. But we're not going to deal with that today. Let me know, people, how you like on a fish. You know, if you like it steam, grill, roast, stew, curry, any type of way. You see me, you know, I'm all of the above, you know. Any style, just give me it. Yeah, man. So, I think all of it, well, no, we have one more left. All right, now. So guess what we're going? So the blend up herb, we have some scotch bonnet in this, people. Scotch bonnet, scallion, thyme, ginger, garlic. You know, a little bit of everything. So we're going to pour some all over it. And we'll save a little bit for the callaloo. Watch it. Beautiful already. May I tell you. And we'll put a little bit on the callaloo same way. Add a nice little spicy flavor to it, you know. You can't have roast fish and not add pepper to it. Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, man, so we have some butter. I'll take this now and rub it on the file paper. Where's the Deandra? Just like that.
Look good.
Look good? Alright. And so the fish, my guys, we're not even adding the dry seasoning yet, you know. Let me do it right now before I forget. This is an all-purpose blend. Keegan Lifestyle TV. All-purpose seasoning, you know? Yeah. You see this right, so? Are the best fish you know go eating in life, you know. Best roast fish. That me I tell you. Know. Yeah, man, today we're just in the backyard, guys. I'm saying, you know, I'll do a little bit of food, you know. Yeah, man. Just like that. So I feel the one in prime time, Lando.
Get in my head, you know. Get in my head.
Get in my head. Yeah, man. I want to make sure this whole season, man. Big. You know. This is how we do it up in our country, you know. You see it? Yeah. No small fish around here. Yeah. You can't keep that on a Fort Lauderdale, you know, boss. Yeah. This is a lane snapper, I think. Yeah. Alright, we have some more season same with people. We're not out of seasoning around here, you know. Enough season we have. Yeah, man. Make sure the inside of the head them season up. Alright. I hate that. So now we're gonna stuff them. We'll stuff them with the actual callaloo now. You understand? Yeah man. See it there? And not normal no people. You see that? Yeah man. That's how we do it man around here. Sushi. Hey. This right that's a sushi now have nothing on this fisherman. Trust me. Alright, so this one now guys, we'll set this aside. Next up, butter again. Rub it in same way. Yeah man, and just repeat the same step people. Nothing no change, nothing different. Stuff the belly with the callaloo. And by the way, this is a combination of callaloo and collard greens. The best of both worlds. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so wrap him up same way. And when you make them type of fish guys, you have to add enough pepper on it. Pepper for days. Hold on, 2 5 pepper me have.
About 3.
About 3 me I use. This is what I go on. Yeah. Wrap them up like that man. And the fire look like you're almost ready now, so I'm gonna put on the grill rack them in a minute. Watch out people.
Oh my gosh.
You see that? Seasoning. Yeah man. Move them out of the way. Alright. I have to make sure so that when I well butt up, you know, cause them big. Watch that. Look at that, guys. This is gonna be good. Take out some of that juice, you know.
Oh, good size fish that, you know.
Put some of that.
We'll put some on the other one.
Yeah. Yes, guys, this one is mine, so I have to make sure it's well saucy, you know. Yeah, man. I might have to give it a double fire up, you know. This
Yeah,
way,
done.
this way, you know. Huh? Yeah.
Done.
I don't want too much of the juice leak out. All right, next. Oh, my back. Yeah, man. Good. Like I said, guys, we're just in the backyard today. We decided to say, yo, we're gonna do something. Lando forward. Primetime Lando is behind the camera right now, guys. Go check out his channel. Yeah, man. He make a lot of food videos right now, food content, lifestyle content.
Lifestyle.
You see it? Jamaican related content.
Yo, that one there fat.
Yeah, fat Joe. Wow.
Oh my
What's it?
gosh.
Yeah, man. Stuff at the belly same way. That's them a fish now. You eat by itself. You need nothing else.
Nothing else.
Nothing else. Add some sauce to the same way, somebody. Yeah?
Oh, big fish that, you know.
Yeah, man. I'm eat it off, you know.
that don't full up your belly.
Yeah, me go eat, hey, that's good. Make it full. Make the belly full right now. A good while, I eat like this, you know. That's it.
I say they not feed you.
No, they not feed me. I'm feed myself, man. Me no,
Chef D, is that true?
me no depend upon people feed me.
I don't believe that.
Me
Chef
feed
D
myself.
says.
Oh. All right. That is it for now. So now, guys, the grill nice and hot. We go toss them pan it. We go kind of calm down the fire. Cause you don't want the fire too high when you roast a fish. Then you want it nice and slow, just like jerk chicken. So we go calm down some of the heat. Yeah. And a few seconds, we go open it back up. Make it see what go on. And then we'll just dump on the fish them pan it, just like that. Drop on the fish them people. Normal them, you know. This is what I'm talking about. You have to angle the fish them, you know. Make sure everything fit properly.
Things fit.
You know? Woo. Yeah, man.
The fire high, you know.
Hi. Me know, but you calm him down.
Calm him down. No make no difference still. Do it.
Or calm down the fire eventually, man. Throw the water upon the people.
But
So-
do it make a difference? Are
Yeah.
you are the chef, you know?
Yeah, it make a big difference. I will burn it.
Yeah?
Inside no cook.
Or
Just
I'm
like
saying
chicken
a
and
fire
meat.
paper, you know.
No, you don't want it too high.
Okay.
You don't want it too high, man. Go on. Soak, you know?
People. That's why he's the chef.
Alright.
I'm just the one that consume the food.
Taste test, ka.
No, man, I like that word.
A vegan lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, and me born fi style. Girl a bubble for the king, them love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a live versatile. Vegan lifestyle, out there, out there.
Yes, people. So, fish them looking good. Just go ahead and rotate them, you know. Yeah, man. Fish them smell nice.
Smell a nice one.
God. So the big one them now, them go stay longer on the grill. I take longer to cook, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. That's a go on. Closing back down. I can cook for another about 10 minutes and everything should be ready. Yes, people. Fish them ready, you know. I don't want to dry out all of the juice out of it. Yeah, man. Come in, D'Angelo, but we do a taste test, you know. See what I go on. Look for all that steam. What's it? This fully cooked already, man. Woo.
Careful.
What's the people? Find the steam. Nice. What's it? Look at that. What's the man? Tell me that not look good, people. Watch the man. Alright. Moment of truth, you know, people. Watch it. Fully cooked. Watch the man. Nice, white, soft flesh. Yo. It's nice. And you have a nice, stinging, peppery taste to it. You know, it's still juicy. Not dry. Let's try some of the Callaloo, people. Lovely. Yeah, man, so I just wanted to do a little quick video, guys, so y'all could check it out, you know? Yeah, man, so thank y'all for watching. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time we post a new video, all right? Until next time, big up on yourself. Peace, one love.